What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Rico, aka Rockstar here, back with another video. And as you guys know, in the previous upload that we did, we took a first look at the Quotex.io platform. So many people have been hitting me up about this platform. I've been getting so many questions about it, and unfortunately I can't answer those questions yet because I haven't actually dug deep and tried to broker out myself. Now, I do have a lot of my friends and full-time traders that make a lot of money trading that have been telling me about this broker for months now. Honestly, probably over a year, and I have not heard anything bad about them so far, which is what kind of pushed me to actually get going and even consider taking a look at this platform. So today what we're going to be doing is taking a full look on how to actually deposit money into this broker and how seamless or unseamless it may be, because we all know that when you want to trade, most of the time we're a little impatient and we want to trade now. So how long does it take to get the money from your account to your broker so that you can start trading binary options on Quotex.io? If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy and Hulk smash the like button if you guys enjoyed this video or found it valuable in any way, shape, or form. Let's jump into it.
I feel just like a rock star.
So first things first, if you haven't already done so, go back to my previous video and take a look at my Quotex.io walkthrough video. It is my first look of the platform and how it actually works and how it looks on the inside, some of the features that are offered. So before we even get to depositing money, make sure you check that out first. Now, in terms of depositing money, it's very simple. Once you actually get logged into the platform, there's a big green button right here in the top right corner that says deposit. So we're gonna go ahead and click that. So this is what your deposit page looks like. As you guys can see here, they offer a 30% bonus that you guys can take advantage of and utilize. And there are some deposit options here. So to deposit money, for the most part, we have all cryptocurrency deposits, which I absolutely have no problem with at all. In fact, I do all of my withdrawals and deposits through cryptocurrency because it's just a lot safer than uploading my bank information to a broker, especially one that's overseas. I'd rather not do that. So Bitcoin is typically how I do it. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see here the minimum deposit amount is only $10. That's actually very big, because I know when you're trying something out, especially binary options, a lot of the times you don't want to put $250 or $100 into a broker just to test it out. So to have a $10 minimum deposit, I know is definitely going to be amazing for a lot of you traders out there, especially if you're in some of the other countries or areas where, you know, $10 can go a long way. Minimum withdrawals is only $10 as well, which is pretty cool. Quick withdrawals from your account, so we don't really have a time frame on the withdrawals, which I don't know how I feel about that. So I don't want like buy FOREX, race options, so on and so forth. You typically have 1 hour withdrawal times. With pocket option, I believe it's 24 hours to 48 hours. So we're gonna test this out sometime in the future to see how quick the withdrawals actually are. And then at the bottom, there are no fees to withdrawing your money, which is perfect because obviously the money we make, we want to keep, right? So here are some of your options here. Now, this is something that I've never seen on a binary options broker before. Obviously, you can do straight from Bitcoin, but they also have a Coinbase button. So I'm assuming if you click this, it kind of links your Coinbase and takes it straight from Coinbase. I don't know. We're going to try this out. So the minimum amount to deposit is $10. I'm going to go ahead and double that. I'm going to put a $20 deposit there. Now, promo code, I don't really care for a promo code, so we're gonna do a $20 deposit. So I would highly recommend, before you guys deposit any money in here, check out the FAQs and also click this right here. Check out the full list of FAQs so that you can get all your questions answered beforehand. So let's go ahead and click the deposit button. And again, we're paying through Coinbase, right? So again, I'm assuming this is gonna link directly to my Coinbase. So just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click Dogecoin. So I clicked the Dogecoin option because I have some Doge on my Coinbase. I have a lot of Doge on Coinbase, so I might as well just see what we got here. I'm gonna go ahead and send. All right, Dogecoin. And very simply, especially if you do this from like computer to phone, it's an easy process. So all you gotta do is open that up, and I'm just gonna scan the QR code. Okay, done. So at 2:26 p.m., I have officially sent. As you guys see here, the screen just updated. It says verifying payment. So we're gonna see exactly how long this takes from the Dogecoin to get from my Coinbase on my phone to the actual broker. It's 2:26 p.m. We're gonna go ahead and we are going to start the timer. Okay, so unfortunately, just like the last video, my microphone cut out on this one as well. I obviously did these videos back to back, like literally right after each other, so didn't even notice until now that I'm obviously editing it. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know I actually spilled coffee on my laptop. But super seamless process right here. I'm going to check the transaction details, make sure everything is good with that. And as you see, as soon as I checked or I clicked the button, I didn't realize as I was making the recording, but as soon as I clicked the button, transaction actually completed. So super fast deposits with this broker. Honestly, it was about less than a minute. There you go. You see, bada bing, bada boom, payment was complete. That was not even a full minute. Success on the deposit. And that was super seamless. Everything seems to be good on this broker. I mean, I really don't have any complaints so far. From what I see, the platform looks amazing. The trading is very seamless, really smooth. And as you guys can see, I just deposited my first couple of bucks into the broker, and that went super smooth as well. So definitely excited to really get things rocking on this, see what it's like to really sit down and trade on this broker, as well as withdraw from the broker, because I know that's a big issue with a lot of people. You know, some of these brokers out here be playing with people's money, right? So the withdrawal process is obviously very important as well. So I'm gonna see if I can make a couple of dollars on here and see if they have any specific rules to when you can withdraw, or what is the, I would say, like maybe you have to trade a certain amount. Obviously it said the minimum withdrawal is $10, so shouldn't be too complicated with that. But we're gonna see what's up, man. So we're gonna cut this video short, really nothing more to go over. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, as always, make sure you Hulk smash that like button for your boy. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like always, this is your boy Rico, aka Rockstar. I'm out. Peace.
I feel just like a rock star.
To stay in tune with everything RockStarrFX, including coaching and one-on-one mentorship, make sure you join my personal Telegram group down in the description below at Teach Me to Trade. And if you haven't already done so, add me on Instagram as well at RockStarrFX.